In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send voicemail drops with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that delivers a pre-recorded voicemail to every new contact that enters your account. This walkthrough assumes your sub-account is already set up with a phone number and telephony enabled, and that you have a short, clear voicemail file ready to upload. First, open your GoHighLevel sub-account so you're working inside the correct location. From the left-hand menu, head into Automation. This is where all your hands-off processes live, and it's the perfect place to trigger a voicemail automatically. Click Create Workflow to start something new, and choose Start from Scratch. Beginning with a blank canvas keeps the process straightforward and makes it easy to see exactly what's happening. Give your workflow a clear name you'll recognize later, like Automated Voicemail Workflow. Good names save time when you're scanning a list of automations or collaborating with a team. Next, let's add the trigger that kicks everything off. Choose Contact Created. This fires anytime a new contact is added to your system, whether through a form submission, a manual add, an import, or an integration. That means the voicemail will send right as the contact appears in your database. Click Save Trigger to lock that in. Now we'll tell the workflow what to do. Click the plus icon to add an action, and select Voicemail. This action initiates a ringless voicemail drop, aiming to place your audio directly into the contact's voicemail box. Keep in mind, delivery can vary by carrier and contact settings, but this is the correct action to use in GoHighLevel for voicemail drops. Attach your audio file. Click Add Attachments, then Upload from System, and choose your pre-recorded voicemail. For best results, use a common format like MP3 or WAV. Keep it concise, around 20 to 30 seconds, and speak clearly. State who you are, why you're calling, and the value for the listener. A friendly tone and a simple callback instruction often work best. Once the file is attached, click Save Action. This stores the voicemail step in your workflow so it's ready to run. When everything looks good, publish your workflow. Publishing turns it on, so every new contact will receive the voicemail you attached. A few quick tips before you go. Make sure you have proper consent to contact your audience, follow local time and compliance guidelines, and keep your caller ID and voicemail branding consistent. If delivery seems inconsistent, it's often carrier-related, so monitor results and refine your message as needed. That's it. You've set up voicemail drops in GoHighLevel.